Pure Water Systems, United States made, and it's been around for well over 30 years as well. Has an incredible history, incredible history in reference to serving the communities and educating people in reference to water quality. And once again, it's one that I'm totally confident in. I would love to own, or would gift that one to someone else as well. It's the people in that company, as they're on these other companies, are very. They really share with people the values of distilled water and health concerns as well too, which I really enjoy and I'm pleased with. Wonderful support. So whether I exist tomorrow or not, they know you exist because you're registered. Someone who purchases is registered with them, and they take care of their customers.